Hi guys, Dev-initely Mario here. Today we want to work on our project or a horror game. Before we go into it, I want to announce our polling on Patreon. We will poll about our first investigation tool. Please take some time and vote for your first tool you want to implement in our game after we finish the fuse box. So now let us go into it. What we want to do here first. First, we want to do an UI thing. So let us create a folder UI. Let us go into this folders, right click, blueprint, and type here user. Then you will find the user widget here. And name this Crosshair, pointer, or whatever you want. I name it cross. No, eigentlich ist es ja it's not a cross. I name it pointer. So open it. So what we want to do here is we want our middle dot to be now at which we're looking at the moment. So first of all, we need a canvas. Drop a canvas here. Then we need the image for our dot. So it doesn't matter where you put it in because we use the entries. So we use the middle one. We make the position null, and we make an alignment of null on 5. So, and we want 30 to 30. So, now we want it to, I must see, we can make it here. Okay, we will, that is so, why not? We have not a circle, we have our shape. Compile and save. Now we need to open our BP person character blueprint. We want our crosshair every time. It's no reason at the moment we want it not there. So we go on begin play of the BP person character. And we type in create widget. Now we take our widget. I name it pointer, so pointer. And after we create our widget, we want to add it to the viewport. Compile. You have to connect this to. So the viewport now, which widget you have to. So, and if we start now, you will see our little very ugly pointer. So, we could use a program like Paint Net or anything and make an not so ugly pointer. 30 by 30. Take a shape. And we want the shape as a circle. Not a right circle, and we put it here. We take the selection tool, cut the agent out, but I find it not so It's better. Yeah, too much. Yeah, let's start over. So again, ellipse. Yeah, that looks fine. Selection tool, cut it out. So then save your image. Save image. I will put it into our project. Making a folder for you guys. Oh, I not need. I have a Patreon folder. We use this. Yes. No. Patreon images. After you save your image, you can so we need one more folder and we name it I don't know, image, and we import the image. Oh, we not. I have to adjust mine a little bit short. Oh, So then double click on the image, go on the right side. And we have to make this one here to RGBA here. Yes. Save this. And now I can't. Not name it. So you can press here if you want. You can select it, then you have this arrow and it will apply. So now we have this little dot. I will put the image into the video description. And we can play, and we have this a little bit less ugly circle. So we have nearly 9 minutes on the clock, so we will pull shortly a wall. Let's duplicate this wall for that. Place it here. Scale it. A little bit down. A little bit more. Put it on this side. So make it a little bit higher. Now we got a nice wall. I have a light switch here in my fab folder. Light switch, data smith, light switch. If you want this light width, you have to go to Fab, make light switch, and it was this one here. So now we want delete this. If this light widths come to with false scales, think you have to go to modeling, X-form transform. I use 0.02 for this dimension. Press complete. After that, bake to transform. So next time I will make it with you guys, so I don't have to tell you what you have to do. You can see it. But let us make a new blueprint. But let us make a new folder for it, because we want to have many interactables. One of them will be light switch. Blueprint, actor, light switch, base. That's our naming. Light switch. Open it. Add static mesh. Name it switch or whatever you want to call him. And get our one gang light switch. Okay. Compile and save. Now add sear collision and make the collision a child of it. So we need this sear collision, and we want to make the sear 96. So now we got 12 minutes. We want to work on the rest in the next video. So what we have done here, we make a pointer. I show you very quickly to make a pointer image with PaintNet, how you implement it, and how you have to define it at RGBA. So the alpha will be smoothly cut out. I show you how you can create the widget and add it to the viewport, and I tell you this one have to be connected. And we make our lights with a bit of sear collision, but not more. I want to remember you about the polling on the Patreon. Take a little time. It costs 1 minute, maybe, and vote for your first investigation item you want. Yeah, see you guys.